We are at Serengeti district in Mara region. This is one among the districts that are implementing the EQIE project. Currently, we are at one of our partner schools that is implementing the project since the year 2020. The project is aiming at improving minimum proficiency level for reading for children in grade 1 to 4, but also ensure access and retention of children with disabilities and girls out of school to make sure that they also access their right to education. The project is addressing several challenges that were identified within Mara region, one being poor performance in the national examinations, a big number of repeaters in grade 1. Also, there were other challenges such as overcrowded classrooms. Several approaches have been used to ensure that children are being able to read and write and perform well in the academic. A big number of teachers have been trained in play-based learning. To date, we have trained a total of 250 teachers in play-based learning, but also for grade 1 and 2, there was an additional training called the phonemic awareness to make them able to teach letters, names, and sounds for the children to cope. One of the approach is the reading club that were established in each school for grade 1 to grade 4, and teachers were trained on how to plan, implement, and run reading activities in the club with the children. But also the organization has distributed a big number of books to make sure that children have access of reading material. Another approach is the reading competition that was designed to increase the urge for children to read. We have several schools that have performed very well. In Serengeti, we have a case of Morotonga, we have a case of Kambarage, Mugumu, and Robanda. Among these schools, all the children from grade 1 to 4 were able to read and write as of the midline evaluation last year. But also we have a case of 3 schools in one ward in Tarime that was performing poorly in the national examination for several years. But for 3 years consecutively, the 3 schools have managed to make sure that the children in grade 4 are all passing their national examination.